Fruit names in Arabic as well as in English. Pear, kumathara, cherry, karas, kiwi, fig, teen, date, tamr, avocado, pineapple, ananas, pomegranate, rumman. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu. I hope you're all fine and okay. By the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala always bless you with His countless and never-ending blessings in this dunya and akhirah. Today I'll teach you how to say your pear in Arabic, your cherry, your fig, your date, your avocado, your pineapple, your pomegranate. Before we start today's lesson, let's quickly review what we learned yesterday in class 1. Yesterday we learned about how to say my apple, my pear, my cherry, my book in Arabic. And I told you about it. You have to put only choti ye at the end of each noun, and that would create a sense of first person singular possessive pronoun. But in today's class, you have to put only kaf zabar ka at the end of each noun. Besides these noun, okay, in a noun के अलावा भी जितने nouns हैं अरबिक में, अगर आप उनके सामने if you put only kaf zabar ka, they will become second person masculine singular possessive pronoun, and they will create a sense of your. For example, pear, kumathara. Your pear, kumatharaka. Cherry, karaz. Your cherry, karazuka. Kiwi, Your kiwi, kiwika. Fig, teen. Your fig, teenuka. Date, tamr. Your date, tamruka. Avocado, afukadu. Your avocado, afukaduka. Pineapple, ananas. Your pineapple, ananasuka. Pomegranate, rumman. Your pomegranate, rummanuka. You can apply this pattern with each Arabic pronoun to make it possessive pronoun. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like my videos, please do subscribe and like my channel for more videos.